my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on 3 LED on Arduino board and on the external board. So this 3 LED will be on at the same time till the time we choose if you want to set it off. So stay connected to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment and share. Let's start. First we are going to define all the 3 LED which we are going to use. Let's LED 1 will be on pin, LED 1 will be on pin 13. So here we have finished define all the 3 LEDs which we are going to use. The red one will be on pin 13, the second will be on pin 10, and the third one will be on pin 9. So then here we come in the void setup. We're going to say pin mode. Then we need to say red one to be an output. Then copy this one in order to be faster. Put on the next line. Then say LED 2. We go also output. Copy this again. Put on LED 3. It will be on LED 3. It will be also an output. So this is the void setup which we finish make for 3.1. Then I'm going to the void loop. On void loop we are going to say digital right red 1 to be high. Then we copy this one, digital right, put on the next line. Say digital right 2 will be also high. Then you do the same for the next line. Say digital red 3 will be also high. This means all the 3 red will be on. After making this program, you are going to verify if it is correct. Then after verify, you can send it to the board, to the Arduino board. So before verifying, you have to put the name and save it. Call red 3 on, not 3 red on. Call it 3 reds on. So after you save it, the program will start comparing to check if there is no problem. They say here red 1. I say red 1. I make a mistake. I didn't write correctly. Red. It is red. And any misspelling you make in the program, then you are comparing, it comes as error. This is why I didn't write red, I write red. That's why it shows me there is error here. Then I correct it. After correct it, can verify again. So after verifying, they show me the program doesn't have any error. So after this one, we are going to come to Arduino. We are going to come to Arduino board and so after making the program, we're going to come here to the Arduino board. You are going to connect this board to the external board. First make the ground, connect the ground here. Then I say I'm going to connect pin 13. I bring it here. Then I'm going to connect pin 9. I bring it here. I'm going to connect pin 10. Pin 10. I bring it here in the middle. After connect it, you are going to connect it with the resistor take the resistor, connect it here. After connecting the resistor, I'm going to take the first red one, I connect it here. You see the first one. Then I'm going to take the second resistor for the pin 10, connect it inside to the board. After connect it, I'm going to take the second red, connect it also on board, connect it at the same position of the ground. After connect this one, let me come into the next one also, connect it like this. So let me first connect the resistor in order to make this red also be on, because you cannot connect the red without putting the resistor. If you do so, you can burn the red at the same time. So after doing this, I'm going to make the connection also with the ground. This is our ground. Take this ground and bring it here. After done this connection, I'm going to come back to the laptop. I connect this board using a cable, using this cable. I'm going to connect it to the laptop. After connecting it to the laptop, I'm going to come back to the laptop and upload the program. So after uploading it, you see the reds are on. All the reds, let me see why this one is not on. Problem, it was the resistor which gets removed. So you see here all the three reds are on, either on this external board and on Arduino boards. All the three reds are on. So let me put something so you can see it clearly. See, like this. All the three reds are on, either on Arduino boards and external boards, as you can see. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment, and share. Thank you.